everybody, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time. Today's video is all about my top 6 highlighters that I have found myself reaching for here recently. So if this sounds like a video for you, let's go ahead and get right into it. Okay guys, so like I've told you guys in past videos, I have been going back through my stash, finding old long lost loves and recreating looks with them, or just using them all over again, whatever it may be. I've been putting up a lot of eyeshadow palette videos where they've either sat in my collection forever and a day, or like I said, I've just kept repurchasing and pushing things back to the back, and that's what we're talking about today with the highlighters. So let's talk about, I was gonna just do like 5, but I have found myself reaching for 6 different highlighters or highlight palettes. So let's go ahead and start off with what I have on my cheeks today. I'm sure you can guess by how glowy this is. Yes, that's right, it's an Ofra highlighter. And this was actually part of the 21 Days of Beauty, I believe, in the spring. This is the Nikki Tutorial highlighting trio, and you do get 3 of the kind of mini size highlighters in there: Space Baby, Glazed Donut, and Glow Gold. Now I can tell you, this is what I have on today. I mix these two and then come up as a bright shiny little goddess, and I love it so much. These are obviously very pigmented and very showy, so if you're not into, I should say, if you're not comfortable showing a little bit of texture, wrinkles, crinkles, what have you, you may not want to reach for an Ofra highlighter, but I think they're absolutely beautiful, and I've embraced my skin, and I could care less if I show off a little, you know, wrinkles and crinkles, because look at that. I mean, if you're really paying attention to wrinkles and crinkles and texture, I don't know if we can be friends, because I'm all about that glow right now. Maybe it's because I'm tired. I don't know. Anyways, the next one I want to talk about, and this is one that I know you guys are probably guessing because you've seen it in the past couple months a lot on my channel, and that's the Gerard Cosmetics. This is a Star Powder in the shade Grace. This is what it looks like up close. It's kind of really lightweight, or really light looking, and it looks like it's going to be almost gray, but I mean, I feel like a pretty decent, I wouldn't say medium, but fair to medium type of skin tone, and this even by itself is really pretty on my skin. But here lately, and this, I will tell you guys, this absolutely just melts into your skin. It melts. I don't feel like it accentuates any type of texture. It just kind of is there, and I use it a lot for like my brow. Hold on, sorry guys, I forget to put things on silent. There we go. But I put this underneath my brows, inner corner, highlight, whatever it may be, and it's so nice and pretty. I definitely want to pick up some more shades, a little bit warmer and deeper. I would say this is probably more of the cooler side of things, but it's very pretty. And I have been actually pairing it with, of course, the Anastasia Beverly Hills Amerzy highlighter. Now this is like a big gelée, I believe, type of highlighter. It's absolutely gorgeous. It definitely is a bit warmer than the Grace shade with the Gerard Cosmetics, but I will tell you guys, I feel like the Amerzy one does kind of notice a little bit more, or accentuate a little bit more of the texture and larger pores. Not mad about it. It's still really pretty. I mean, it's a highlighter, and you kind of have to know getting into it, if you're using a highlighter, you're, you know, highlighting things. I can't think of a word. Day 2 of school, guys, and Mama just can't sleep at night. I'm like, did I do this? Did I said this? And and I'm just like, I'm a momsy. It's a zombie momsy, whatever. Let's move on. Okay, so now I've got some palettes to talk about. This palette right here is by C Color Cosmetics. This is the Glow Natural Face palette, and I used it, I believe, in a Sunday Chats video, and I haven't stopped, okay? These 2 shades in this palette, by the way, this palette's only like $9.50 minus a coupon code Hotmess10, saves you 10%. Oh, I should have told you guys, Hotmess saves you 30% on the Gerard Cosmetics highlighter too. But these 2, again, these are really like boom in your face type of highlighters, but they're so pretty. Like, there's the lighter one on its own, and then here's the one next to it. I mean, they're so pretty, and then I mix them together and I come up with like this, like, isn't that gorgeous? It is just so pretty. $9.50, guys. And that's not counting like the blush and the bronzer and the blush topper you get in there. So Anyways, but I love those highlights in there. They are just so pretty, so creamy. I feel like these and the C Color Cosmetics, I feel like they definitely melt into your skin. I mean, you can pack a punch with them. Also, like, really get it into the skin to where it's just like a really pretty natural type of glow. Very similar to the Hourglass type of highlighters. This is in this was their holiday 2018 palette, the warmer shade one. I don't really know what was it called, the ambient lighting edit unlocked palette. And this is the highlight in here. And again, this is like this really pretty, I mean, it's all these are like more of like a champagne-y gold, but this is definitely more of a glow from within type of highlight. I mean, how do you even swatch a highlight? I don't think you do. But the Hourglass one, which I wonder if they came out with it by itself, because that Sephora sale is coming up and you guys might want to pick this up. But does it have the name? No, it just numbers on the back. But the Hourglass highlighters have more of like this sheen to them that is, like I said, a glow from within. It is absolutely gorgeous. It is one of those ones where you want to be like shiny and sophisticated, but like you didn't really try. You're just natural like that, you know? I think the Hourglass are absolutely beautiful as well. And then of course the last one I'm going to talk about, and again, you heard me talk about this so much, sorry earbud users, that I had to put it up and away and over on a shelf for a while, because this was the only highlighter palette that I was grabbing. And again, C Color Cosmetics, the strobe palette highlighter. This is 6 different highlighters in here, and I normally actually used all of them except this middle one, which the middle one is very, very pretty, but it has more of like that purpley pink undertone, which looks great on the eyes and like the brow highlight and inner corner highlight. But I'm focusing all of these shades more so like on the brow, or not the brow, that's called a cheekbone. Oh, you guys, this girl's so sleepy. Anyways, these shades right through here I love to mix, and this is one that I told you, again, crazy, insanely affordable, and they melt into the skin, like just simply melt. They're amazing. So, and again, you can save 10% on those. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. That's all for today, but I thought it would be fun to show you guys what I've been shopping my stash, what I've been using, and finding old long lost loves. It's been fun. It feels like you're shopping, but you're really not shopping. You're saving so much money doing things this way. So let me know some of your favorite highlighters down below. Don't forget to follow me over on Instagram and Twitter, and check my description box. I will link these for you guys as well to make your life a little bit easier. I will tell you guys, if you do choose to use any of my links to purchase, I do make, depending on which link you use, I don't know, but I will earn a little bit of a commission, and if you use some of my coupon codes as well. So you guys know I keep it real with you guys and like to remind you of that every so often. So thank you if you do decide to use any of my codes. I greatly appreciate it, and so does my family, because you know I am now doing YouTube full time. So thank you. I really appreciate it. Okay, friends, I'm gonna hop off here. I am going to rest. I try and pre-film, but I'm like, this mama just don't have it in her. I think once we get into like our regular routine, it's just that first week back to school is always a little rough. Okay guys, until next time, as always, I hope you all have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Bye.